Good morning everyone, this is Srinivas Gumadi. Welcome back to ABC English Club. Today's topic is LY words in English. LY words in English. There are two types of LY words in English. Look at the board. If we add LY to the noun, we get an adjective. For example, man is a noun. Man, time, friend, home, month, human, cost. These are nouns. If we add ly to the noun, we get adjective. Man plus ly, manly. Time plus ly, timely. Friend plus ly, friendly. Home plus ly, homely. Month plus ly, monthly. Woman plus ly, womanly. Cost plus ly, costly. So this is the way how to form adjectives by adding ly to the noun. And come to the second type of ly words. These are also ly words in English. If we add ly to the adjective, we get an adverb. We get an adverb. How do we get an adverb? If we add ly to the adjective, we get an adverb. See the examples. Great is an adjective. Great, sweet, brave, clear, deep, joyful, beautiful. Okay, these are all adjectives. If we add ly to them, we will get an adverb. We will get adverbs. Great plus ly, great. Sweet plus ly, sweet. Brave plus ly, bravely. Clear plus ly, clearly. Deep plus ly, deeply. Joyful plus ly, joyfully. Joyfully. Beautiful plus ly, beautifully. So these are all called ly words, adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner. So how, for example, Ramya dressed beautifully. Ramya dressed beautifully. How Ramya dressed? Beautifully. Okay, this is called adverb of manner. Adverb of manner. So this is all about ly words in English. There are two types: noun plus ly, adjective plus ly. Noun plus ly becomes adjective. Adjective plus ly becomes adverb. Okay. Sit down.